Hey guys, Samsung are all set to launch next generation Samsung flagship S24 series 17 January 2024. Samsung launched three devices S24, S24 Plus and S24 Ultra. And you also know everything all the three devices information and specification. Latest leak IC Universe has some good news. The Galaxy S24 Plus will be have an option with a 12 GB of RAM. The Galaxy S23 Plus option being and 8 GB of RAM. However, the bad news for Galaxy S24 is it still have a 8 GB of RAM, which has been the best capacity since the S20. And the Galaxy S24 Ultra also come with 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM. IC Universe confirmed his post with a 16 GB not exist Galaxy S24 Ultra. Well, some market are already released some phone with a 24 GB. Samsung are also set to move to 12 GB of RAM since the Galaxy S20 Ultra and S21 Ultra have a 16 GB of RAM variant. And you also know that Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra only use Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset with a boosted primary CPU core. And on the other hand, Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus using Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and also Exynos 2400 chipset in some market. So that's all about the confirmation about the Galaxy S24 series. And if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this as always. Thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.